Welcome to the ECA tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to book your child's ECA using the parent portal via HeadStart's website. Go to www.headstartbouquet.com. On the top right of the screen, click on the parent portal. From here, scroll down and click the link on top. Here is the front page of the parent portal. New parents receive their login details via their email addresses. If you forget your password, you can click the Forgot Password button here to reset it. Type in your username here and your password here. On this page, you can see any parental notices and updates, upcoming events, send notices to teachers, and book your ECAs. There are two ways to access the booking screen. First, under your child's details, you can choose Book Activities. Second, by clicking the star icon and choosing Activity Bookings. During Booking Phase 1, only the admin team can enroll students. When Booking Phase 2 begins, it will say Booking Open. Parents are now able to book their child's ECAs. Select the group of activities on the activity schedule you would like to select from. For example, Fee Paid or HeadStart ECAs. In this example, I'm going to click ECA Demo Schedule. This screen shows you how many ECAs you have chosen. A total cost of Fee Paid ECAs is also included on the top right of the screen. Let's look at booking some ECAs. By clicking on Monday, you can see what ECAs are available. You can see in this case, there are no ECAs to choose from. Let's try Tuesday. Tuesday has two time slots, 2:30 until 3:15 and 3:30 until 4:20. By clicking on the time slot, you can see what ECAs there are at these times. At 2:30, there are two activities to choose from, tennis and ballet. By reading the description, I can see that tennis happens off-site at PSU, which is about a 5-minute drive down the road, and that children will return to school after the ECA has finished. To choose an activity, you can click and drag it into an available slot like this. To unallocate or cancel a chosen ECA, you will need to click the bin icon. You will not be able to remove, bin, a booster or EAL session that has been pre-enrolled. Wednesday shows us an ECA that is colored in red. This means that the ECA is currently fully booked. If I try to drag it into the allocation block, I am greeted with an error message. This error message warns me that the activity has already reached its maximum pupil limit. I will have to click the bin icon before I can continue. On Thursday, you can see the ECA Dance has a Fee Paid icon. This lets you know that the ECA is fee paid. By clicking on the information icon, you can find out more about the Fee Paid ECA. For example, how much the ECA will cost per term. Once you have clicked and dragged the ECA onto the right block, the total cost will be shown on the top and bottom of the screen. Once the ECA has been confirmed and enrolled, the ECA will appear on your student's timetable. Please ensure to check information that is emailed to parents to be up to date with booking phases and when ECAs go live. Friday shows us an example of pre-enrolled ECAs. Some ECAs, such as academies or boosters, can only be accessed through pre-enrollment. On Friday's time slot, I can see the activity yoga. However, when I try to drag the activity over to the availability slot, I am unable to. I can only see this activity is for pre-enrollment due to the lock icon. This will be applied to boosters and all other pre-enrolled ECAs. All allocations are saved automatically. Once you have finished choosing your child's ECA, you can close the window. To check if your child has been enrolled, you can go to their timetable. Go to the left-hand side, scroll down to your child's name, and click Timetable. From there, you'll be able to see your child's timetable and check for enrolled ECAs. Make sure to check the week beginning to make sure you've got the correct dates. I hope you found this information useful, and please refer to the ECA policy for any additional information.